Sometimes, however, dogs can grow to incredible sizes that make it hard to remember they're just friendly pets looking for some love. From Great Danes towering over the largest of men to woolly mastiffs being mistaken for grizzly bears, the 4Evergreen team has you covered with this list of the 25 most giant dogs ever caught on video. The standard fence like this is typically around 2 meters tall, meaning this dog has to be around 2.5 meters tall, or 7 feet. Okay, this dog might have gotten into the coffee store because he's super happy even for a dog. So it's essential to groom your animals from time to time. The sheer size of the dog, however, makes it hard for the man to take control. Despite their bear-like appearance, they're extremely friendly and safe to have as pets. The video shows a large dog standing next to its owner with a small bird sitting on her shoulder. The owner laughs while the dog looks at the camera and gives a friendly smile. Trained dogs are not only safer but are also a lot more enjoyable as pets, as you don't have to worry about them.